Today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy eye makeup look using just a few products. That's what I'll be showing you today, so let's get started. Let's start by prepping our eyes. Apply your favorite eye primer to the lids and blend it out with a sponge. This will make your eye makeup last all day and also will give us an even base. It'll cover any discoloration or veins. I have some false lashes on, so I'm not gonna get the product really close to the lash line, and regardless, we're gonna be putting eyeliner there, so it's okay for you to leave a gap right here along the lash line. This is the side with the primer and this is without, and you see how much more even my eyelids look. Now let's grab our bronzer, a powder bronzer and a fluffy brush, and we're gonna put that all along the crease of the eye. This bronzer that I'm using is the one from Maybelline in the shade 300. So I am working it in with my fluffy brush, concentrating it on the outer side of the crease and then bringing it in. Okay, this is looking good. And I'm just blending it. I grabbed a clean blending brush and I'm just going over that bronzer with a clean blending brush to make it softer, make it appear more diffused. Now I'm taking that same bronzer here along the lower lash line. Now I'm taking this mossy green eyeliner from Sephora in the shade Moss. Pick an eyeliner that blends very easily. They're able to smudge it. That's going to be critical for this look. So you see how easy this eyeliner smudges and blends? That's what we want. By the way, in case you're wondering what lashes I have on, it's these clusters from Kiss. All right, so with your eyeliner, draw a line all across your lid. Doesn't have to be perfect because we are gonna blend it out. And I'm also hoping that these lashes won't get in the way as I blend this eyeliner. We'll see how that goes. Now I'm gonna take my finger and press and kind of just smudge that eyeliner. I didn't think of it, but I should have used this sponge tip that comes on the other end of the eyeliner. Let me do that right now. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Perfect little sponge tip to smudge this eyeliner. Wonderful. Now I don't have to get my fingertips dirty. Key to this look is this Bobbi Brown stick. Any cream shadow stick that you have will do because these shadows are so quick and easy to apply. This one I have in the shade Golden Bronze. So I'm gonna take this and I am gonna swipe it over that eyeliner. Let's do the same thing here to blend the cream eyeshadow. And if you want to add a little bit more, you can. I brought it higher up on the eyelid and again, blend it out. So far, so good. The lashes have not gotten in the way, so that's awesome. And this is how the eyes are looking so far, the before and the after, but we're not done yet. I repeated the same steps on the other eye, and if you want to stop here, you can, but I do want some added drama and depth, so I'm gonna repeat the same steps. I'm gonna put the liner, smudge it, and then go in with the cream eyeshadow on top of that. Here goes the eyeliner. Again, the line doesn't have to be perfect. Now the cream eyeshadow once again. If you want to bring the cream eyeshadow here to the lower lash line, you certainly can. Make sure to smudge it out as well. And just to show you the difference, this is the eye where I did 2 layers. And this is what it looks like with one layer only. And we're pretty much done. I just want to balance out the eyes and, oh, it was, yeah, on this one. And do the second layer of liner and cream shadow. The main takeaway from this tutorial is to layer your eyeliner and also experiment with eyeliners that are not black, because for an everyday look, black, it can be too much. So try a brown eyeliner, a gray liner, even maybe like a navy blue. I picked this mossy green one because I think green looks really pretty with the bronze shade of the cream shadow. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of blush. And this is Orgasm X from NARS. And that's it, a super quick and easy look. And we only ended up using 3, okay, maybe 4 products on the eye if you count the primer, the bronzer, the liner, and the cream shadow. If you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments if you try out the look, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.